Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into the future, the year 2023, to be exact, and looking at the top 5 trends in artificial intelligence that are shaping our world. Let's jump right in. Number 1, the democratization of AI. Imagine having the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips, no coding required. That's the idea behind the democratization of AI. Thanks to apps and low-code/no-code platforms, everyone can now create, test, and deploy AI-powered solutions. This means that more businesses and organizations can overcome the AI skills gap and put the power of AI to work. Let's take a look at tools like ChatGPT, for instance. Even if you're not a tech whiz, you can use it to generate human-like text. It's all part of making AI accessible to everyone. Number 2, generative AI. This branch of AI is all about creativity. Generative AI algorithms take existing data and create entirely new content. We've seen this in action with GPT-3 and DALL-E, creating realistic text and images. And who could forget the deepfake Tom Cruise videos that took the internet by storm? It's AI innovation at its finest. The implications are huge, from creating synthetic data to revolutionizing the entertainment industry. Who knows what the future holds for generative AI? Number 3, ethical and explainable AI. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As we rely more on AI systems, it's crucial that they're ethical and transparent. In 2023, the push is on to make sure AI can explain its decision-making processes and ensure bias-free outcomes. Without trust in AI, we risk losing out on its benefits. So this trend is all about making AI work for us in a fair, understandable way. Number 4, augmented working. In 2023, AI is your coworker. From smart handsets to AI-powered virtual assistants, AI is helping us work better and more efficiently. It's all about harnessing AI to augment human capabilities. And let's not forget about AI's potential to future-proof our jobs. Working alongside AI could be the key to staying relevant in the digital age. Number 5, sustainable AI. As the world grapples with climate change, AI is stepping up to the plate. While AI algorithms do require energy, they can also help us understand how to build more energy-efficient systems and identify environmental risks. From monitoring deforestation to optimizing energy use, AI is proving to be a valuable tool in our quest for sustainability. And there you have it, the 5 biggest AI trends of 2023. It's clear that AI isn't just about technology, it's about shaping our world for the better. What do you think about these trends? Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.